This is called gairong, means basket, and this is maiga, means wild boar's tooth, and this is called maiku, means animal's head, or it is monkey's head. And significance of wearing this one is the number that they hunt the head of the enemies. This is called ringpet, which means neck wear or neck tie. This is made of beads. This is called nachung. This design in jacket is called kokkei, which means something like zigzag. This is the symbol of brass head that they used to wear in the neck. This is dao, the long knife, and this is spear, seal, sealed. This is called nyam, brass gong.